Let's be real. If you're pulling in a six-figure salary, working hard, hitting those career milestones, but still find yourself nervously peeking at your bank balance on the train ride to work, you're not alone. And here's the kicker. It's probably not because of your salary. It's because you're approaching your money like a financial beginner, even if you're a pro in every other area of your life. Does that sting a little? Good, because I'm about to show you 3 game-changing systems that have allowed my clients to effortlessly tuck away an extra 30 grand a year. We're talking serious wealth building without sacrificing those oat milk lattes, spontaneous weekend getaways, or even the occasional splurge on a fresh pair of sneakers. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me. Ready to transform your financial future? The myth that keeps you broke. All right, let's bust a common myth, shall we? Most high-earning professionals fall into this trap. They believe income is the finish line. Earn more, problem solved, right? You get that promotion, that big raise, and for a fleeting moment, you feel like you've unlocked the secret to financial freedom. But then, what happens? Your spending subtly, or not so subtly, creeps up to meet your new income. This is what we call lifestyle inflation, and it's a silent wealth killer. Think about it. The average physician I meet, someone with years of education and a demanding career, often has a net worth under $250,000 by the time they hit 40. Meanwhile, a mid-level manager, earning significantly less, who's been quietly maxing out their 401k and implementing smart money habits, is pushing $500,000. What's the real difference here? It's rarely the paycheck itself. It's the plumbing, the systems and strategies that move your money around before your impulses even notice it's there. It's not about how much water is coming out of the faucet. It's about where that water flows once it hits the pipes. Without proper plumbing, even a gushing faucet can leave you feeling dry. This isn't about deprivation, it's about redirection. It's about building automated financial habits that work for you, not against you, so you can stop relying on willpower alone. Hack number 1, the 2-day-old self-transfer. This first hack is all about psychological jujitsu. We're going to rename your paycheck. The moment that direct deposit hits your account, your brain sees a big number and immediately starts thinking about all the things it could buy. We need to intercept that thought. Here's how. Set up an automatic transfer for a portion of your income, say 10%, to move into a separate high-yield savings account. The crucial twist? Schedule this transfer for 2 days after payday. Why 2 days? Because by then your brain has already registered the full paycheck. It's had its moment of perceived abundance. When the transfer happens 2 days later, it feels less like you're losing money and more like a gentle, almost invisible rerouting. It's like paying your future self before your present self even has a chance to negotiate. Now, about that high-yield savings you can't see on your main app screen. This is key. We want to create friction for spending and ease for saving. Use an online-only bank for this separate savings account. They typically offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks, meaning your money grows faster. Plus, by keeping it slightly out of sight, you're less likely to dip into it for impulse buys. This isn't just about saving, it's about investing in your peace of mind and future goals. This high-yield account is perfect for your emergency fund or short to medium-term savings goals, like a down payment or a big vacation. 10% might sound small, right? But let's crunch some numbers. On a $120,000 annual salary, that's $12,000 a year. Imagine that money earning 4% interest instead of the paltry 0.4% many checking accounts offer. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, where your interest starts earning interest, that money grows exponentially over time. Do this consistently for 5 years, and suddenly you're looking at a substantial sum. Extend that to 10 or 15 years, and compound interest could hand you a significant down payment for a vacation home or a hefty boost to your long-term investment goals, all while your daily latte budget remains blissfully untouched. No complicated spreadsheets, no guilt trips, just a financial robot dutifully paying your future self before you can even scroll past that tempting DoorDash ad. This is the essence of paying yourself first, making your financial well-being a non-negotiable expense. And here's a pro tip. If your employer offers a 401k match, that's another form of two-day-old self-transfer that you absolutely must maximize. It's literally free money. If you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year. Make that a priority, and then layer this 10% high-yield savings transfer on top. Hack number 2, the zero-based budget with a twist. Now, let's talk budgeting. The phrase zero-based budget probably conjures images of meticulously tracking every single penny, right? Traditional zero-based budgeting says, give every dollar a job. And while that's powerful, it can feel like micromanagement for busy, high-earning professionals. Who has time for that? We don't want to count every almond. We want a system that gives us control without the daily grind. So, here's our professional twist. Run a planned income zero budget. Instead of agonizing over every category, you're going to simplify. Before the month even begins, list out only your fixed costs, the non-negotiables that don't budge much, your mortgage or rent, insurance premiums, car payments, student loan minimums. These are your bedrock expenses. Everything else? All your variable spending, groceries, dining out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies, that goes into a single glorious line item called Flex. Now, here's the magic. Look at last month's actual spending for your Flex category. That's your target for this month. Drop that number into your Flex line. Your goal by the end of the month is to force this Flex category to zero, but not by underspending and letting the money just sit there. Oh no. If you find you've underspent by, say, $300, that surplus doesn't evaporate into the ether or get accidentally spent. It gets automatically swept into your brokerage account, into low-cost index funds. This means you still get to swipe your card freely within your Flex budget, enjoying your life without feeling restricted. The only rule is that by the last day of the month, the balance in that Flex category needs to be zero, because any leftover funds have already been rerouted to build your wealth. This ingenious system ensures that lifestyle inflation dies a quiet death. Any efficiency you gain, any dollar you don't spend, automatically becomes an investment. You're not counting almonds, you're just letting the system turn your leftover cash into growing assets. It's about being intentional with every dollar, ensuring it serves a purpose, whether that's spending, saving, or investing. Hack number 3, the subscription purge, plus one-click raise. Small leaks, my friends, don't just sink ships. They absolutely decimate portfolios. We're talking about those forgotten subscriptions, those free trials that turned into monthly charges, those apps you downloaded once and never touched again. They might seem insignificant, $5 here, $10 there, but these tiny trickles add up to a financial hemorrhage over time. The average professional, believe it or not, bleeds around $47 a month on forgotten apps and services. Now let that sink in. $47 a month. If you invested that consistently over a 30-year career, earning a modest market return, you'd be looking at a staggering $57,000. That's a serious chunk of change just vanishing into the digital ether. Here's the hack. Once a quarter, set aside an hour. It's like a financial deep clean. Go through every single recurring charge on your bank statements and credit cards. Cancel anything you haven't actively used in the last 30 days. Be ruthless. Do you really need 3 streaming services, 2 meditation apps, and that online gym membership you haven't logged into since January? Probably not. But here's the kicker, the truly powerful part. After you purge, immediately give yourself a one-click raise. Take the exact dollar amount you just freed up by canceling those unused services and reroute it directly into your 401k or a health savings account, HSA. Your take-home pay doesn't drop, so your brain doesn't scream deprivation. In fact, it might even feel like a win. Yet your retirement contributions or tax-advantaged health savings jump overnight. HSAs, by the way, are incredible. They offer a triple tax advantage: tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. It's like a super-powered retirement account for healthcare. I had one client who, after this quarterly audit, realized she was paying for 23 separate monthly charges she wasn't using. 23. She instantly freed up over $150 a month, rerouted it to her 401k, and bumped her contribution rate from 10% to 15% without feeling a pinch in her daily spending. She called it the easiest raise I never negotiated. It's about reclaiming your money from these insidious leaks and putting it to work for your future self. The thread that ties them together. What's the secret sauce? The invisible thread connecting these three powerful hacks. It boils down to three core principles: automation, separation, and friction. Automation. We automate so that discipline isn't required. Your systems should be doing the heavy lifting, not your willpower. Willpower is a finite resource. Automation is infinite. You set it up once and it works tirelessly in the background, making sure your money goes exactly where you want it to, consistently. Separation. We separate your money so you don't even see it. Out of sight, out of mind. When your long-term savings are in a different account, ideally with a different bank, it creates a mental and physical barrier to impulse spending. You adapt to living on what remains in your primary checking account, and your savings grow undisturbed. Friction. We add friction to spending so that impulse purchases feel like work, not a reflex. If you have to log into a separate account, transfer money, and then wait for it to clear, that extra effort often gives your rational brain enough time to kick in and ask, "Do I really need this?" This small barrier can save you hundreds, even thousands over time. These three hacks aren't about restriction. They're about intelligent redirection. They're about taking control of your cash flow before your impulses and the siren song of consumerism can get their hooks in. Implement them together, and you'll easily achieve a 20% or even higher savings rate without ever having to utter the dreaded B word, budget, at brunch. You'll be building wealth on autopilot, freeing up your mental energy for what truly matters in your life. Ready to put these hacks into action? Don't just listen. Do. I've created a free one-page checklist that maps out exactly how to implement each of these strategies into your financial calendar. It's your step-by-step guide to making these systems a reality. Grab it now. The link is right below this video. While you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss next week's video, where we'll dive deep into the optimal investment order that slashes taxes in your 30s and beyond. You won't want to miss it. Let's wrap this up with a fundamental truth. Wealth isn't just a number on your salary slip. It's the ever-widening gap between what you earn and what you spend, multiplied exponentially by time and smart systems. Nail that gap with deliberate, automated financial plumbing, not with exhausting willpower, and you'll watch your net worth consistently outpace your raises. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon powered by intelligent design. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Schedule that 10% transfer, set your flex cap, and mercilessly nuke one unused subscription. Future you is already sending postcards from a lounge chair somewhere warm, thanking present you for making these powerful yet simple changes. Go get it.